Lesson 2. Introduction to the Stock Market. Part 2. Picking your own stocks. Please read and pay attention to the disclaimer on this slide. If you're aiming to invest in successful stocks, understanding their histories is crucial. With that in mind, let's do the first case study of the program on Netflix. Currently, we stand on the brink of potentially the most significant technological revolution ever, propelled by advances in artificial intelligence. In this context, exploring Netflix's evolution offers valuable insights into navigating this new era. Periodically, certain events so transformative emerge that they redefine both business landscapes and daily living. The rise of video streaming marked such a revolution, with Netflix leading the charge. This company didn't just participate in the industry, it disrupted it, toppling established media giants one after another, much like dominoes. Now, let's delve into the history of Netflix to better understand this transformative journey. In 2007, Netflix launched their video streaming service. By the end of the year, they had 7.5 million subscribers. 5 years later, Netflix had 41 million subscribers. People started calling the phenomenon of customers dropping their cable TV subscriptions for video streaming services cord cutting. An analysis of the TV industry would show that it changed dramatically over the past 75 years. We've gone from TVs with antennas and only a few channels that are on for a limited number of hours during the day, to cable TV with more choices, to video streaming, where you can watch anything, anytime, as long as there's an internet connection. Let's compare the price of a Netflix subscription to a typical cable subscription in 2012. It's immediately obvious why people are subscribing to Netflix in record numbers. Netflix offers many more movies and TV shows, and it does it at a fraction of the cost of a cable subscription, whenever you want and wherever there's internet. So, video streaming is clearly a better deal than cable TV. Now comes the important question. How big is the potential market for Netflix? We're talking about 2012. In that year, the company had 42 million subscribers. How do you estimate the total potential market opportunity for Netflix in terms of subscribers? That's what research is for. Skilled investors do lots of research before making an investment. The size of Netflix's potential market is called its total addressable market, or TAM. If the total addressable market is large, then Netflix has the opportunity to grow into a very big company. In 2012, video streaming was in its early days. It turns out there are 700 million to 1 billion homes around the globe, not including China, that are potential Netflix subscribers. Did you hear that? 700 million to 1 billion potential customers. People fell in love with Netflix. The term binge watching was born when subscribers could watch an entire TV series back-to-back without having to wait for each week's new episode. After streaming was released, Netflix's membership and revenue grew strongly. The entire time that streaming was taking over, the big three networks, NBC, CBS, and ABC, were in denial. It's important for you to see the link between strong long-term company performance and stock price performance. Let's look at the history of Netflix's stock price. Netflix went public at $1 per share in 2002. The current share price is $485. The stock rose 485 times in 20 years. Investing $1,000 at the company's initial public offering, IPO, which is when the company first sold shares to the public, would have grown to $485,000 by 2023. Look at the long-term chart of Netflix stock price from 2007 to 2023. The company started out as a mail-order DVD rental company. It didn't launch its streaming service until 2012. What do you notice that is unusual about the stock chart? You could have invested in Netflix years after the launch of streaming and still done incredibly well from an investment perspective. That period is highlighted in the red circle. What else do you notice about the Netflix stock chart? There were multiple periods of sharply negative share price performance along the way as the stock skyrocketed to the stars. The roller coaster motion of stocks can greatly affect people's emotions, making it challenging to hold winning investments for very long periods of time. The advent of the internet initiated a tidal wave of innovation, transforming one industry after another. If artificial intelligence is poised to surpass the transformative impact of the internet, then grasping how the internet revolution reshaped various sectors is crucial for navigating this new era and pinpointing potential market leaders. This is why examining case studies from the internet era, such as Netflix, is incredibly valuable. The mistake the skeptics made in the late 1990s was looking at the internet's capabilities at that moment in time and failing to foresee the improvement in bandwidth and function coming in the future. Look at the image on the left of the internet in 1997. It couldn't do much. Certainly not video streaming. The naysayers only saw what was in front of them at that moment and couldn't imagine what the internet would be capable of today. For that reason, they incorrectly predicted doom for Netflix, along with many other internet companies. In the same way, the potential for artificial intelligence to disrupt existing industries and the companies operating in them and create new giants should not be measured by artificial intelligence's capability today, but by where its capabilities will be in the future. That's the lesson of Netflix. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 2, Part 2.